Okay, next player. Yun ang Kembon niya. Okay, next player. Ayun, yung mga bini natin, Kuya Jinson. Wow. Okay, tatlo. Meron tayong dalawang cups dito, ate. Kembon, ayusin mo muna, ate. Ayusin mo muna. Halika. Kembon, and then, ayusin ka. Ayan, ibalik pa sa dati natin. Balik sa teammate at nakipag-high five for the next player. Okay, tatlong cups. Ayun, slowly but surely. Okay, very good, Kembon. And then, ayusin. And balik sa teammate at nakipag-high five for the next player. Uy! Magpapahuli ba si ate? And we have our winner. Ang team na nanalo ay ang team